Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem that many R users face. The problem at hand is creating a function that dynamically constructs a column name and uses it in a mutate call. Tricky, right? But fear not, we've got some slick solutions up our sleeves to tackle this issue head-on. Let's start by exploring the first solution. In this approach, we define the variable var using as.symbol on the glue expression for the column name. This enables us to seamlessly utilize var in both naming the new column and computing its mean. Pretty neat, huh? This method ensures a smooth operation without any hiccups. Moving on to the next solution, we take a slightly different route. Here, we simply call getVar within the mutate function to calculate the mean of the desired column. By using this concise technique, we efficiently handle the column manipulation process with ease. It's all about finding the right tools for the job. Last but not least, we explore another nifty workaround. In this scenario, we employ rlang sim to set var as a symbol after composing the column name using glue. This elegant solution allows us to streamline the code and achieve the desired outcome effortlessly. The beauty of efficient coding. In summary, we've uncovered some smart approaches to tackle the challenge of dynamically constructing column names and performing computations in R functions. By leveraging these techniques, you'll breeze through similar tasks like a pro. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding.